Hello, City of Albuquerque employees. This is Jesse Muniz, Chief Procurement Officer with the City of Albuquerque, and today I'd like to show you how to look up a requisition in PeopleSoft and to review the status and any other information that has come from that requisition. When you're in PeopleSoft, you're going to go to Main Menu, you're going to go to eProcurement, and you want to go to Manage Requisitions. Now, as a reminder, what we're looking up is a requisition that has already been entered in the system, and you're simply wanting to figure out the status of it or find out some additional information about that requisition. When you first get to the Manage Requisition page, it will default to your business unit. It will default to the last week of activity. To simply find the requisition that you need, just hit the clear button, and it will clear out all the information here. When looking up a rec, you just need to enter the number that you're looking for. If you need to search, you can click this little icon here and actually search for a requisition. In this example, I do know the one I'm going to look for, so I'm going to simply type that number in here. Notice I don't need any other fields populated. I just need the number of the requisition. I'm going to hit search, and here's my rec that I'm looking for. Now this one line comes up, gives me my rec ID, the requisition name, business unit, the date, what the status is, and if the budget has been budget checked. Of course, dollar amount. To find some additional information about this requisition, I can click this little icon here, and it will give me a timeline of what we like to call the rec to check process. Now, in this case, we do see some highlighted icons. When there's some highlighted icons, that means we can click on the links and find out some additional information about this rec. First one is requisition, of course, is the rec we just looked up. Second is approvals. So you can click on this link and you can see all the employees who were involved in reviewing and approving this requisition. I can go back to where I was at by simply clicking return to manage requisitions. Notice inventory is blank. There is no inventory order related to this. Also notice there's change requests, receiving, and returns. These are all blank as well, so no information has been conducted here, so therefore it is not a live link. Purchase order link is live, which means that this requisition, after approvals, has turned into a purchase order. So I can click on this link and I can get some basic information about what PO was created. In this case, from my rec ID, it has turned into PO number DED 0010175 for $632,000. Here's the supplier ID, and it has been dispatched. Click my return to requisition again, and I'm back to where I was at. As we go on down the line, there's been no change orders. There is no receiving or returns related to this PO. There are invoices that have been sent and paid against this PO. So to figure that out, I just simply clicked the link here. And here I see some voucher lines. In this case, there are two vouchers, one ending in 494, one ending in 497, each at about $53,000. If I simply click return to manage requisitions, I can see that there's actually been payment made against these invoices related to this requisition, related to this PO. So I'll click the payment tab icon here, and what you'll see is information about the payments that were made. Notice they're one of two. We did see two vouchers. If I click view all, I will get both vouchers to show up. Voucher number 1, which resulted in payment here, payment reference ID 9322911, and requisition down here turned into payment reference ID 9322911. So it looks like based on the payment reference ID, this payment or these vouchers were cut on the same day under one voucher, as you see here, 126,668.14. But based on the two vouchers, here's my 52 here, here's my 52 here that I had seen in the previous screen. I'm going to go back to manage requisitions, and I am back where I'm at. So as you can see very quickly, if I know my requisition ID, I want to look at the status, I can simply see a lot of information about that requisition by going to Manage Requisitions, entering my rec number, hitting search, hitting this little icon, and then following the path of what we say is the rec to check process for this PO. I hope you found this video informative and hopefully you were able to follow along. Please look out for additional videos here from our office as we try to get more training videos out on how to look up things in PeopleSoft, some tips and tricks. Thank you very much. Have a great day.